What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Asics Gel-NYC. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can achieve this cool loosely laced look with your Asics Gel-NYC. So let's get into it. We're going to place this shoe over here so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. So the first thing we're going to do is just push the tongue out of the way and take the lace through that hoop on the front of the shoe. Just thread your lace through, and then we're going to make sure that we've got the same amount of lace on both sides by putting the ends together and pulling up. And when you pull up, the aim is to make sure that your two sides of the lace have got the same amount of tension in both sides. So if one is a little bit slack, just pull a little bit more on the other side until you feel like you've got the same amount on both sides. So I'm just going to make sure that that's sitting nice and flat on the front, and then we're going to take the outside lace and we're going to bring it down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. I'm going to catch the lace on my finger as well to make sure that I can unroll any twists. And then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to bring it down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. Like that. Then we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across and down through that second hole on the inside. So all the while I'm just making sure that I'm flattening out my lace so it comes down into the hole nice and flat. And then the inside lace is going to come across to that second hole on the outside. And then I'm going to stop there and I'm going to put some socks inside my shoe. I've already put some socks in the toe cap so that these ones won't slide down and fill it. So I'm going to place it into the shoe, and the reason for that is that it will bulk out the shoe, and then you'll get those wider, looser laces as well coming across like we've got over here. It also means as well that you don't need to leave a little loop sitting above your hole because you've already stretched out the laces across. So we're going to go back to the outside lace, we're going to bring it through the hoop on the tongue to help keep the tongue in place, and down through the third hole on the inside. Still keeping the laces nice and relaxed. Then take the inside lace, bring it through the hoop and across the lace that's already sitting inside, making sure that they cross over. Then bring that down through the third hole on the outside of the shoe. Then keep that lace in your hand, bring it down through the fourth hole on the inside. Then take the inside lace across to the fourth hole on the outside. And just check before you go towards finishing it off that you've got your laces the way that you want them. So these are looking a little bit baggy, so I'm just going to pull them in a little bit and then tighten these up. If you do though feel that your laces are coming a little bit too much, starting at the top you can just ease out your shoe and that will ease out your laces as well. So then you should have a fair amount of lace, maybe a little bit too much lace left for a loosely laced style, but that's easy to solve because what we're going to do is we're going to take the outside lace and we're going to take it under the tongue and out through that opposite top hole. So I'm just going to take it across and out, making sure that I've matched it with what I've got on my other shoe. And then we've got a loop there that's going to go behind the tongue. So I'm just going to leave it there for now. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to go out through that top hole, match up your laces, and then your two loops are going to go both behind the tongue. So as you can see, it doesn't matter how long these loops get, they can be short or long because they're going to go underneath and you're going to wear those on top of your feet. And because the laces are so soft, it's a comfortable wear. So we're going to just slide those under there. Just push the sock down as well so you can see the style a lot more clearly. Just make sure that's sitting nice and flat. And there you've got your cool loosely laced NYC. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your loosely laced Asics Gel NYC. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.